Mike, Paul.
Second ain't cool.
Mike, Paul.
Mike.
Mike, Paul.
Yeah.
Mike, Paul. Give me first place, second, that won't do for me. I came to win, fuck I look like trying to lose, homie. Scared money don't make no what? Scared money don't make no money. Give me first place, second, that won't do for me. I came to win, fuck I look like trying to lose, homie. Scared money don't make no what? Scared money don't make no money. Give me first place, I want it in the worst way. And fuck what the church say, they hating on the wordplay. They'd rather see me serve plates, I'm in a fucking rat race. Everybody a criminal, ain't no telling what their bad way. I'm stuck in my bad ways, rhymes pay, I'm here every day, feel like my birthday, not just once a year. I'm trying to win, fuck a loss, so I use everything I was taught. You got luck on your side, I got the man who carried the cross. In the eye of the tiger, not in hell but on fire. The game sold, I got bias, money talk, don't get tired. I'm like a nigga with no legs, I can't stand for the losing. I came to win in this bitch. Fuck I look like, homie. Never scared, I'm everywhere the money at. If you hating on my money, Jack, kiss me where they never sunny yet. I can't let you beat me easy, my nigga, that's no good. I'm going hard in the paint, put that shit on my hood. It's Tiger, man, give me first place, second, that won't do for me. I came to win, fuck I look like trying to lose, homie. Scared money don't make no
Yo!
Scared money don't make no
What a weekend.
Give me first place, second, that won't do
Fellas.
for me. I came to win, fuck I look like trying to lose, homie. Scared money don't make no what? Scared money don't make no.
This song is so fitting.
Scared money don't make no money. 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 This that hustle life. This that hustler's life. This what hustlers like. We keep our hustle tight. This that
Fellas,
hustle life.
what's up, man? What's
This
up?
that
What's up? What's
hustler's
up?
life. This what hustle.
Hope everyone's having a fantastic Sunday. It's another slow chat today, and I've noticed the sort of hypeness and the euphoria that was here a couple of days ago has now kind of subdued, and it's making me feel bullish. That really Bitcoin has not gone anywhere. It's at 42K, but a lot of the euphoric nature of the chat and the crypto space that was here just like 2 or 3 days ago is now gone. So making me feel very, very bullish. I think this week is going to be a good week, despite the narrative that it is not going to be a good week because meme coins are running. And to be quite honest, I get the narrative, and we'll talk about why I don't think that's the case. And why I actually do feel that we're going to have a good week this week for Bitcoin. So let's get this shit rolling, man. And let's have some fun today. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's actually not. It's supposed to be windy as shit, like 30-mile-per-hour winds, rainy as shit. But man, I mean, guys, I want to get this off my chest right away because on Saturday I made the most legendary call that I've ever made in my life. I never call these, but I said, you know what? I'm going to buy, you guys know I always talk about Pussy Financial. I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy some more. I put it in the Discord before the pump. Okay. I never did this before in my life, but Pussy pulled a 20x on Saturday alone. And it was one of the most crazy things I've ever seen in my life. So shout out to you. I know a lot of people in the Discord caught this pump. Absolutely insane. And I've been saying this for a long time. Eventually, the cat coins will have a pump just like the dog coins. I'm telling you. And you're actually seeing cat coins going off right now. You're seeing a bunch. You're seeing Kitty. You're seeing Pussy going off right now. Literally the most legendary thing I've ever seen in my life live is watching this thing go up. So crazy shit out of nowhere. It was freaking dead coin and then just bonk out of nowhere, man. Absolutely insane. I've taken my initial out, and now we're letting this shit ride, bro. And hopefully we can catch the next, the dog coins had their run. Maybe we can catch the Doge of the cat coins. All right, so let's get this shit. Shout out to all the homies who caught that one. Yo, what's up? Becker scared them all. Bro, you guys gotta chill with the Becker video, man. You guys even watch the video. I can tell people just watch thumbnails and don't watch the videos. Guys, watch the damn video, okay? He's not saying sell your crypto. And who cares what Becker thinks? He was bearish at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Who cares what that guy thinks? You know what I'm saying? What's going on, guys? It's Becker. Yeah, guys. You idiots who are seeing the title of this thumbnail. I am not saying sell all your crypto, okay? I'm simply saying we look for the signs to sell your crypto. I'm not saying sell right now, you freaking imbecile. What are you, a freaking pussy? You're gonna sell on a 10% dump? Oh my God, you guys aren't gonna freaking make it. Nut up, sack up. Stop getting all freaking weird on small little pullbacks. What were you, raised by a Cardano mom? Was that what you're raised by? No, you're raised by a gaming token mom, not a Cardano mom. Lord, man, suck up your freaking tits, all right? Put a bra on if you have to, and nut up. The top's not in, you idiots. You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, watch the damn video. Lord, just Jesus, man. Anyways, so let's and Wojak too. Yeah, if you caught Wojak too, I mean, we made some pretty good calls on Wojak and Pussy. Wojak's going up too, but I mean, like I said, it was crazy. Anyway, let's talk Bitcoin for a second, because I know right now that the sentiment right now is Bitcoin's going to dump. I actually sense that sentiment is starting to shift, and I think it's crazy, right? So the top for Bitcoin was around 44,000. We're at 42,300 right now, but yet I've seen a lot of bearishness come into the market, right? And a lot of that euphoria that was here just not too long ago is now gone, right? And when people start to get bored, and it was almost, this was like happened a couple weeks ago, right? People started to get bored because Bitcoin didn't move for a week. Oh my God, Bitcoin's not moving for a week. It must be bearish now. And this is what happens sometimes. You get up to a resistance level, Bitcoin goes sideways, which causes people to doubt what they're doing, right? And I think the same thing's happening right now. As Bitcoin gets up to resistance, goes sideways before getting the next leg higher. So that's my take, right? We can talk about TA all we want, but I've been a big fan of sentiment during this rise up rather than TA, because to be honest, TA has been completely pointless on this rise up. All the TA guys have just been so wrong. So my thing is sentiment, okay? We made a low, we've came back up, and if you actually look at what Bitcoin's done from high to low, we've actually done a nice little 1618 retrace. So if we hold this 1618 and we start pushing up here, it's looking very, very good going into next week. So I don't really see any reason to be like freaking out, like, oh my God, this is crazy. Rather than, what have we been talking about continuously, guys? Be bullish on freaking dips. Stop being the freaking guy who is bullish at the highs, FOMOs into an altcoin, okay? And then it dumps 20% and you're like, I'm freaking bearish now. Stop being that freaking guy, man. Oh my freaking God. Scare money don't make no money. Yeah, scare money don't lose no money too. But they do, because they're losing to inflation, technically. They don't know, but they are. But stop being that freaking imbecile, bro. like Lord Almighty, what do you have the head of a freaking fish? Come on, man. Be bullish on dips. Lord Almighty. We got the ETF approval in less than a month. We got the halving coming up in 4 freaking months. Stop being a freaking mid-curver fish. Lord all freaking mighty, man. I swear to God, I'm gonna have a brain cell that pops one of these days, bro. Like, I really am in this market, man. I hope this is my last bull run, because I can't do this, man. Anyways, yo, fit it. What's up, man? But anyways, like I said, Bitcoin short term, it's choppy, right? It gets people to question what their bias is, right? Are you bullish? You're bearish. If you were bullish, nothing's really changed, man. Why are we all of a sudden trying to be the guy who's going against the trend? Don't be the guy who's trying to go against the trend for clout. Okay. Oh my God, I called the Bitcoin top. Cool. Did you short it? No. Did you sell anything? Probably not. So who cares? Stop being that guy who's trying to be the Michael Burry of Bitcoin. Follow the trend, man. Trend's up. Right? Now the daily looks good, looks constructive, and the weekly, right, is still the weekly, right? We had 8 green candles in a row. We're getting 1 red week. Holy moly. And it's a very small red week too. And we're talking 2% down from the highs. So small little red candle. We basically took all the liquidity on this weekly candle that we had up. Now, right, the wick is to the bottom, which means the buy pressure is coming in. And we'll see where this next week ends up, man. But ultimately, I'm still looking at this golden pocket, man. I actually like us to take out of that golden pocket slightly higher, so all the horse guys come in, right? Slightly higher. Wow, I am finally bullish on Bitcoin. I thought it was a scam during the bear markets because SBF and CZ went to jail and they were the biggest exchanges, but I think I believe in Satoshi's vision now. Yes, I can totally see the vision. Wait a second. Yeah, I have $5,000 in my savings account. I'm feeling very bullish though. My rent is $1,000. And, okay, I will save just enough for rent and I will put $4,000 in Bitcoin. This is a great risk reward. I'm going to be a millionaire when we go to 250K. and we gotta, the horse, I just don't sense that euphoric right now, right? I don't sense the horse guys coming into the market just yet. I don't know, it's just you. I don't sense the chat going nuts and rocket ship emojis coming in the chat. I don't see any of that shit. But hey, we'll have to see. Mike, imagine not buying one piece of crypto over the past 3 months. Listen, man. I mean, listen. At the end of the day, do we have a crystal ball? No, we don't have a crystal ball. And that's exactly why I say be bullish on dips, because we don't have a crystal ball. All the guys waiting for 32K, that's fine, right? But the thing is, you got to weigh the risk reward, okay? What if Bitcoin doesn't go to 32K? What are you going to do then? You're going to miss life-changing wealth, which comes from the altcoin rally, because you were waiting for 32K. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to weigh what's the risk reward. You know? That's what I always like to say. I have 2 steel balls. Bro, I got 2 massive balls in this freaking pants. Okay? My penis is the size of a freaking small sausage. Okay? One of those little small sausages. But my balls are massive. They're like very, very weirdly not matching, right? Like my balls are the size of freaking golf balls. But then I got the penis the size of a sausage. Tell me how that makes sense. Thank you. Whoever the god is up there. I appreciate you for giving me a small penis, because you know why? It puts a thing on my back. What's that saying? It puts the thing on my back. I hate YouTube sometimes. Why we are live? Fahid, you didn't get a notification? Guys, smack up that like button. Make sure if you guys are in the stream, make sure you smack up that like button, number 1. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you don't hit the like button and you don't subscribe, you're not going to get the notifications as often. So if you're having a problem with notifications, make sure you smack the like. I'm saying this so you get the notifications. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that bell next to the subscribe button. That's how you get the notifications. You got to do all 3 of those. The problem is if you don't hit the like button, YouTube's not going to know that you like this channel, right? So they're not going to send you the notification. But if they know you like the channel, trust me, they want to make money. So they're going to send you the notification if you like the damn channel. It's the algorithm, right? Seriously, man. I'm serious. Anyways, we are seeing Bitcoin right back up to this trend line. So let's see if Bitcoin can break through. I am long ETH, actually. I am long ETH at the moment, my friends. So let me go check out ETH. Where is ETH? I actually wanted to look at ETH real quick. ETH. I am long ETH at the moment because I do think ETH is due. So I basically, we had the high for ETH to the low, right? We just did a little golden retracement as well with a little trend line bounce. Very simple, right? So I took a long on ETH right around here. So I'm long ETH going into this week. So like I said, I see the sentiment dwindling. I see people getting bored. And then I know with crypto, people getting bored equals pump coming. So let's get this shit. Let's get this shit, man. Anyways, looking around the market, some big moves up this weekend, man. We had ICP absolutely going nuts. 2 days in a row, really. 1120 on ICP.
Strap up,
So
we're going to the moon.
If you got some ICP, some good shit going on that one. Let's see, Blur's finally getting a bounce. I did pick up a bag of Blur at the Golden Pocket. This is why you got to respect the Golden Pocket, my guys. The golden pocket always freaking works, right? So golden comes into the golden pocket, you always get a bounce off there. Not always, but 90% of the time. So nice bounce off there on Blur. Other than that, it's a pretty slow weekend. Mostly actually kind of pullbacks today on a lot of things. So like I said, these slow, choppy, boring periods in crypto, I always say this, they very often lead into upside candles, not downside candles. So let's get this. Is COS back up? COS? Everyone started getting bullish on COS. But yeah, man, I mean, look at COS. Listen, I hope it bounces back, but we made this call on COS at the 4236. Even though the rest of the market has gone up, COS went down 33% during that time, right? So that was another good call, is saying that, listen, COS has done very well, but there are better plays than COS right now, right? So if you ever see a coin go up to the 4236, do not FOMO into that one. Go look for another one, because most likely this one's going to pull back and that money's going to rotate into something else, right? Joe, will you show your style? Good morning, lads. Ro Jogan, what's up, man? I like your name, Ro Jogan. It's a good name, man. Ro Jogan. Let's see. What do you think about Cardano? Cardano's fine. I mean, it's another altcoin, man. It's another layer one, right? On this channel, I'm not going to act like, listen, like, there's other channels. If you think fundamentals matter and stuff like that, there's news channels that you can watch and fundamentals channels you can watch. I'm not that type of channel, man. So what do I think about Cardano? It's fine. It's like Avalanche or Solana or Cosmos. They're all the same. They just have different names and different things going on in them. But like in reality, they're all the same. But so it's fine. But I mean, the chart of Cardano is fine, man. I mean, you just broke out a Wyckoff, and you've had 2 down days, but you can see it's pretty much been straight up since these lows, right? So Cardano's up about 3x from the lows. The way I'm looking at it is, okay, you have 1, 2, 3, you broke out. Any move down into here for Cardano, if you get a pullback, right? Any move down into like $45, that's like a serious buy. You buy there. You don't be bearish on the pullback. You buy the retest of the range, and then you play it back up. All right. If this is going to be Wyckoff, which we've seen a lot of things do it like this, man. You know, you go up, you retest, you buy the pullback on the retest. This is the SOS phase, and then you come back up. If it's going to like I said, if it's going to pull back, we don't know if it is. A lot of coins just haven't pulled back, and you just haven't got an entry. So if it doesn't, you move on to the next one, or you FOMO. You know what I mean? You got to make that decision for yourself during times like this. You know. Jordan, talk about BitBoy and George. No, man, I don't care about that, man. I really don't care about that, bro. That BitBoy drama is so old, and it's not even funny anymore, bro. Like it's just obnoxious at this point. That dude just likes to attack everyone. Which is fine, man. I mean, like that's what he's going for. He's trying to get the clicks, but you know, it's just at this point, it's just freaking annoying, bro. So I'm not gonna. That's the only thing I'll say about it. I'm not gonna talk about it because I really don't give a shit. You know what I'm saying? I really don't give a shit, man. We need Jordan in a spacesuit. Mike, you will get me in a spacesuit. You will get me in a freaking spacesuit this week. I'm telling you. We're going to be back to the spacesuit. It's only a matter of time, bro. We're just in that like boring chop phase period where people switch their bias from bullish to bearish just because we're going sideways. We're in that moment. Right here, right? I mean, this was the same sentiment we had here. Remember? Bitcoin wasn't doing anything. We were just going sideways, making higher lows, right? But yet almost everyone turned from bullish to bearish right here and was calling for 32K, right? Now it's kind of like the same thing where we're just kind of making higher lows, right? And now everyone, instead of keeping their bullish bias, which there's no reason not to at this point, now everyone's calling for 36K or 38K, right? Like they're all gonna get that perfect retest of 38, and we're all gonna hold hands and buy the retest together because it's that easy. You know what I mean? It's the same thing to me, right? So until Bitcoin makes a lower low, why are we gonna switch bias at this point, right? Bitcoin makes a lower low, okay, we talk, but until this point, it has not done that. It's just making higher lows exactly like it did over here. But we all want to ponder every day. Oh my God, oh my God. To me, it's exhausting. It is. It is exhausting every day, man. But hey, I come on here every day and I tell you what I think. And that's the only thing I can do. We just need to wake up Asia. All right, fine. What do you think? You think Bitcoin needs pickle juice today? What do you think? Who thinks Bitcoin needs pickle juice? Let me know in the chat. Put the pickles in the chat if you think Bitcoin needs some pickle juice, man. Put it in the pickle juice. Don't do it, man. All right, we're gonna do the pickle juice. You guys probably don't care about the pickle juice, but I'm telling you, it works, and we're gonna do it. Bitcoin's at resistance right now, but we're still gonna do it. We're still gonna do it anyways. All right, here we go. We're gonna do it anyways today. Oh my God, what the hell? You got a little Santa hat. Oh, this is the wrong one. All right. Now let's let it brew. Let's let it brew deep in that green candle, okay? Let this pickle juice seep into the green candle. Let it marinate. Let it get some flavor. Okay? We have to let it marinate for a few minutes. Okay? And if this is truly meant to be, if we're truly meant to get a Sunday breakout, well, it's going to be meant to be. Okay? And this pickle juice will unite the Bitcoin family. Because like I said, listen, we're having fun, man. We're having fun. How are we not bullish? We've seen so many falling wedges play out to the upside, resetting RSI and alts. That's what I'm saying, man. Shit, man. My favorite indicator, and this has been my indicator the whole ride up, is whenever we're consolidating at a low and the chat is not like freaking out, like instead like there's no one in the chat and everyone's bored, that's been the indicator that we're going to bounce very, very, very soon. And I've seen comments like, oh, I'm going to sell this coin. I'm going to sell this coin at the lows, not at the highs. Right? I've seen, oh, I'm going to sell my Chainlink right now. Oh, I'm going to sell my Solana right now. Oh, I'm going to sell this. But I didn't hear any of that 5 days ago when everything was 10, 20% higher, right? So I think that's my favorite sentiment. It's not even the TA, man. Like I said, this comes from someone who loves TA. When Bitcoin's bullish, a lot of the TA is garbage. It is simple as that. This is, like I said, this has come from someone who loves TA. Oh, let me put this down here. Hold up. Let's put this over here. Let's put this up here. Let me put me back in the little corner. There we go. I'm in the middle of Costco and this music started playing. Make sure you're watching out for Asians. make sure you don't see George in there, you know? You don't want to get a quick ITC fight with George, you know what I'm saying? Man. All right, so all you guys are asking about individual altcoins. Let's go look at Total 3, okay? Total 3. Is there anything to be worried about with Total 3 when I look at this chart? This here's the thing. And I hope you guys can watch this channel and realize what I'm trying to be honest with you, right? When I say like, oh my God, like if you're bullish on Total 3, you're bullish on all your individual altcoins. Okay, they're all gonna go up at some point. You just have to have patience if you're bullish on Total 3. Right? So when I look at Total 3, and we've talked about this a lot, is we broke out of a 1.5 year range. Okay, we broke out of a 1.5 year range. We back tested. When we back tested this, the sentiment was altcoins were going to get crushed. Bitcoin was going to go test 32K. Altcoins were going to dump hard. But instead, what did we do? We back tested it. We held a support. Okay. When you back test and hold a support, almost a 2-year range, it's not going to be a small move. And this has been my point. And all these little red candles, it's the end of the world, right? Oh my God. But here it is, right? Here's Total 3. You're pretty much at the highs for the altcoin market. There's no reason to be like super upset or asking like, oh, is my altcoin okay? Like, is my altcoin okay? If Total 3 is going to go up, your altcoin's going to go up too. It's only a matter of time. Okay, so I think Total 3 still got a run all the way up to here, 620 billion. And this is the most fun part of the market. This is phase E. This is phase E. So that's my take, and I'm just gonna say that I'm not looking at this like advanced shit. I'm just looking at Bitcoin and the Total 3 chart. That's it. Let's not make this too difficult, right? Let's see. I sold my house for bonk. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, my man. Never sell your house for the meme coin. Listen. The meme coins have been running, okay? But with the meme coins, what I realize is it's so important to get, you gotta buy those when no one else wants them, right? That's what I did with Pussy. Literally no one was talking about Pussy. Literally 0 people were talking about Pussy. Even when I posted the Discord, like that thing's dead, right? And what I noticed about these memes is look for the big ranges. And even Wyckoff works on memes. Look at this. I put this in the Discord yesterday. I said, I'm going to test the Wyckoff on a shitcoin. And this same structure that we've been talking about for every freaking alt on the moon, okay, even worked on a sub $1 million market cap shitcoin. The same structure that we've been talking about, which is the Wyckoff accumulation. The same exact shit. It's insane, man. And I want you guys to look for these structures. Because there's still many out there, man. I'm not going to go look for them for you. You can do that. Just work yourself. You know what I'm saying? But I try to point some out when I see them in the Discord. But there's many out there. There's many out there, man. There's many out there. Waves going crazy? Yeah, man. You got different altcoins going crazy. You know? Not so much today. Today's more of a calm day. The calm before the storm. I like days like today. Definitely the calm before the storm. Is there a CME gap between 39.6? It would be interesting to see how it goes. I mean, dude, the CME gaps, man. Listen, there's a CME gap at... There's so many CME gaps, man. I mean, we have a CME gap at 20K. We have a CME gap at 9K. We have a CME gap here at 38K. You know what I mean? We even have a CME gap at the highs. You know what I'm saying? We even have a CME gap at the highs. Up here. Right? So, like, to me, the CME gaps... A lot of people will disagree with me, but I think CME gaps are mostly memes. Bless you.
Thank you.
Whereas if you're in a if you're in a sideways range, obviously the CME gap is going to close at some point, right? But if you're in an uptrend, you're a lot of times you won't fill those CME gaps, like the one at 20K, like the one at 9K. You're not going to fill those. We can certainly come all the way down here, but like Is it a guarantee just because there's a CME gap down there? No, it's not a guarantee. AP with the super chat. Shout out to you, man. AP came with the super chat. He said, I disagree. I talk about pussy all the time. Ask my wife. You better be talking about it with your wife. You better be doing that. Definitely memes. They're memes, man. They're memes. Good day, everyone. What's going on, Alan Wong? Good to see you, bro. Hope you're having a good Sunday. It's a muggy, cloudy ass Sunday over here, man. It's a muggy, cloudy Sunday over here in this bitch. Let me move these because it's blocking my head. I'll move my head over a little bit. Yeah, it's a muggy. It's gonna be rainy the next 2 days, but it's Christmas week. Just jolly. I was putting on Christmas tunes this morning, just hanging out. It was weird. I was just like listening to like jingle bells and rocking around the Christmas tree this morning. The Frank Sinatra Christmas songs are the best, man. They just put you in the best mood. Like if you ever just wake up and put Christmas music on, you're gonna be in the best mood the whole day. That's just how it is. You're always gonna be in the best mood. Let's see. Same over here in Virginia. Yeah. It's a very muggy, cloudy day. Futures won't let Wojak. Wojak, man. Wojak has been a nice one too. But it's meme coin. It's like right now. It's a weird time right now. It's definitely a weird time in the market. Bob singing to Xmas music is underrated. Yeah, we'll do that when we get closer to Christmas, man. Did I miss anything? Mike Lamb, you did not miss a thing. But these are the times you should be paying attention. Like this is when no one pays attention to the market. This is when everyone's bored and no one looks into things, right? When the market's super calm and bored, that's when you should be looking into things, not after the pump. This is constantly what happens over and over again. This is why retail gets wrong-footed every single time. Okay, I'm retail, so it is what it is. But this is why noobs get wrong-footed, because during these boring periods, they're not looking into things that are at lows. They're not looking into things that have had 30, 40% pullbacks. Instead, what they do is they wait for Bitcoin to go up, right? Altcoins start ripping, and then they want to enter. This is constantly what happens over and over again. And then what happens is Bitcoin hits a top, the altcoins hit a local top, and then they bitch and cry that the market goes down exactly when they buy. It's because they only want to buy when there's green candles. This is constantly what happens over and over again. Over and over again, over and over again. Rod, hello, Super Jordan. Can you have a look at gas? Look at gas? What did you fart? Is that what you did? You definitely farted, bro. If you want me to look at gas, you definitely just did a massive fart. Yeah, let's go look at gas real quick. Gas. Let's look at this shit, man. Let's look at this shit. Let's go to the daily. What the frick? This thing. What the hell, man? This thing went nuts. Big pullback. Is this the only chart we have on gas? Is this the full chart? Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. Let's do this. Let's do a little. Okay, so you've actually broken through all the retracement levels. Actually, let's pull. Yeah, I mean, there's no way around it. You broke through all the retracement levels, so now it's kind of tough. It's tough to kind of know where this is going to bounce. Yeah, this one's tough now. this one, you're. I mean, I think the one thing I'll say I probably like about this one. Let's see if it has it on here. Doesn't really have that. It doesn't really have any bullish divergence yet. But you can see like the downtrend is waning, right? So big crushing move to the downside. You probably have a lot of shorts opening up above these highs. So you can see that the downside is starting to wane. It's almost like a falling wedge, but it's not a falling wedge. I mean, it is a falling wedge actually, but you can see that the sellers are losing strength, right? So we got a big downside move. I mean, I think this was like a freaking 70% dump. Let's see. Yeah, 75% dump. And then you can see that the sellers are trying to push it down, but they just can't do it. I actually like this. I think this is going to get a giant short squeeze up. This one's actually really good. This one looks like it's due for a big short squeeze because I bet there's a lot of shorts opened up at these highs. So walk, you take out those shorts, and then, you know, we'll see. Do you go higher? Do you double top? You don't know, but a big ass short squeeze? Hell yeah. I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day. Come on, Bitcoin.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Come on, Court. We want to see you pump today. We want to see all the horse guys coming back into the market. Let's freaking go, man. I'm ready to roll for it, man. Let's go. It's Christmas week. I'm feeling jolly. We're all feeling jolly this week. All right? Everyone's got to go Christmas shopping. I hate Christmas shopping. Let me tell you. Lord almighty. I might bring Bob Christmas shopping with me because at least he's a little bit fun, you know? Man, I don't know what to friggin' get, Mom and Dad. Christ, man. I mean, I know Mike, like... Christ, I know Mike kind of likes, like, investing in stocks. Maybe I can get him, like, a, you know, Robinhood gift card or some shit. Man, but I really want him to buy SHIB, so... I think I might get him a Coinbase gift card so he can buy SHIB, finally. Mom... she's kind of a Karen. She doesn't really like anything. She's kind of mean. Christ, I don't know what to get her, man. But yeah, at least Bob's kind of fun when we take him on Christmas shopping, but who likes Christmas shopping? Anyone in the chat like Christmas shopping? Because I don't. I don't, man. I really don't like Christmas shopping, bro. Interactive's just giving his daughter money. I mean, I think everyone prefers just to get money. You know what I mean? I think that it's the case, man. Because if you get money, you can kind of just buy whatever you want. But I guess, you know, some people like the whole thoughtful gift, right? Getting a gift. Exactly true. You're not putting any thought into it. Let's see. Get your mom Tesla. Tesla. I know why Fahid wants to get Tesla. Psycho Pro wants to look at Corgi AI. All right, let's look at Corgi AI. I'm feeling it, man. Corgi AI. Let's see. A dog coin. I like dog coin now, man. Like I said, I'm ready for the cat coin rally, even though I'm more of a dog fan. Corgi. This just came out? No, it came out like a month ago. Yeah, man, listen. Corgi AI. I don't know if it has anything to do with AI. It has an AI in the name and it's a dog in the name. If it does anything useful, probably do pretty good. It's a dog AI coin. It's a pretty good mix here in the cryptoverse. So we'll see. I don't know if this actually does anything though. But it looks like it just came out. 3 hits still. That's another thread. 1, 2, 3. Not too bad. If this can break through there, I mean, obviously it's gonzo. But look at it, you get the 1, 2, 3 hits to the downside. 1, 2, 3. That might be the start of the uptrend, man. Hopefully, man. Hopefully it's the start of the uptrend. And we can get this shit rocking and rolling, bro. But Corgi Inu. No, Corgi Inu. Corgi AI. AI is like the new Inu. Timothy, do you think AVAX will break through this $45, $50 resistance before it pulls back?
Kissing face.
Let's take a look. AVAX.
Do you think AVAX will break through this $45.50 resistance before it pulls back?
That's a big level though. Like there's probably a lot of people looking to sell in this zone, so it might be kind of tough to break through this on the first try. Right? I mean, look, AVAX has had such a big run up with no, like, AVAX, like for the high market cap that it is, for it to go up, I mean, you're almost talking 6x from the lows in a matter of 2 months. I wouldn't be surprised if you see some profit taking in here. It's a big level. A lot of people are probably going to be taking profits right in here. So, and even like it's okay though, right? You don't need to break this on the first try. You can get a little, you even just go sideways here before breaking through. You know, but yeah, I think you see some profit taking in here, in my personal opinion. If you don't, then it gets spicy. then you're talking about testing close to all-time highs. If this level doesn't hold, then you're talking, man. I mean, this thing probably going to like $100 or some shit. So, but I probably expect some people to take profits in here. Very logical area for some profit taking. I hope Clint gives me Tesla for Christmas. Clinty. Corgi is the crow meme. Is it? INJ memes. Yeah, people talk about the INJ memes because INJ is so hot. People want to talk about getting INJ memes. Be careful with the memes, man. I mean, eventually, like, with the memes is it's all fun and games until the music stops. At some point, the music stops, and then all those memes go back to zero. So just know, like, if you're up big on a meme, take your initial investment out, so then it's just risk-free. When Giordano AI, I'm never making a coin, man, because I will never make a coin for myself, because I don't want anyone to be like, oh my god, this guy's making a coin just to make money. So I will never ever make my own coin. I will never ever do that, man. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, man. Is Casa meme? Every altcoin's a meme, man. let's be real, man. I mean, every meme coins are, every altcoin is a meme. Every single one. At least right now, right? At some point, that might not be the case. Oh man, stop being so cloudy outside. It's making me so drowsy. Anyone else feel like that today? Just feel like drowsy? Not drowsy, but like, just like there's nothing going on, man. Feel so drowsy. I could see Giordano Inu in 2025. Hell no. Go out with a bang. Hell no, man. That won't go up at all. It'll probably go up a little bit. Pops will probably dump on everyone. He'll probably be shilling it so hard. Bye, Giordano Inu, and then he'll be dumping it on everyone. You know? Waiting for Chainlink. Well, the thing is, I hear a lot of people saying I'm going to sell Chainlink. I've been hearing that so much. It's just, why isn't Chainlink moving? I'm selling my Chainlink for this coin. I'm selling my Chainlink for that coin, which is fine, man. I mean, you could sell Chainlink into another coin, and maybe another coin does better. But as soon as I start hearing that, and I've been hearing a lot of, I'm done with Chainlink. Chainlink's never going to move again. Sergi's selling Chainlink. Guys, if you actually look up the dates of when Chainlink sells their coins, that actually marks the low. Like if you actually look, they sold a lot of coins in here. They sold a lot of coins in here. And now they're selling some coins right in here. So just realize that a lot of the times they sell those coins, you actually get pumps afterwards. And especially with the sentiment, I keep hearing people say, I'm selling my Chainlink, I'm selling my Chainlink. I would not be surprised to see Chainlink start to run here very, very soon. I said that to Autistic in the Discord today. I was like, dude, like everyone's saying they're selling their Chainlink. And price really isn't moving down. It's just, it's just a little stagnant. But I'm expecting this to start running up soon, especially as I keep hearing, I'm selling my Chainlink, I'm selling my Chainlink. Yo, Smiles. Hey, brother, long time. Please check out Frank. the hell is going on with Franc, Smiles? Oh, freaking Franc, bro. Is that like Froge? It's Froge. Oh, this is front. Hold on. Franc. Is there no Franc on here? Franc does not exist, my man. It doesn't exist. Not that it doesn't exist. But let's see. Franc.
Hey brother, long time. Please check Franc.
Another fraud coin. So many of these fraud coins. Oh my god. Nice, man. Look at Franc. This little guy. What's the little logo look like on Franc? Ah, it's just a little cute little Santa frog, it looks like. That's it. But yeah, another frog coin. We have so many of these, man. It's a Solana frog coin. Franc. Interesting. It's a giant cup and handle. On this thing. That's my favorite, like, cup and handle, man. Like, so the Bears would say it's a double top, and the Bulls would say it's a cup and handle. It depends what side you're on. Right? Are you on the double top side, or are you on the cup and handle side? Which one? You choose. You choose. You know, are we forming a little bit of a handle in here? Or did we just reject off this high? Take your pick. Let's see. I like to FUD link at the lows. Me too. It's fun. It's fun to FUD link. I mean, Sergi needs to eat his chicken nuggets, man. I mean, it is what it is. He has to eat his chicken nuggets. If he doesn't eat his chicken nuggets, like everyone wants Chainlink to perform so well, but if Sergi's not eating his chicken nuggets, they're not going to perform well, right? It is what it is. Oh, man. AVAX. We already looked at AVAX. Nothing to say. It's been going straight up. Beam crashed and it's about to explode. I love these times. All right. What else do we got going on? Crypto Fear and Greed Index 73. I don't think there's any crazy news going on today as we wait for the stock markets to open again tomorrow. Bitcoin fees hit 20-month high as miner revenues match 69K per Bitcoin price. Palo advances CBDC with Ripple in phase 2 of PSC program launch. Okay, XRP fans might like that, but news. Who is Javier Milei, Argentina's market-friendly president? I haven't heard anything about the Argentina guy yet, or about with crypto. I don't know, man. I really do think it's like it's just the quiet before the storm, right? Because I once again I bring up the weekly chart, and we just have two massive events coming up. We have two massive things coming up here for Bitcoin. So take the Browns over the Bears and give me the points. No Browns over Bears. Nope. Russell says, Jordan, when do you think tech and use case will be more important than narrative? Not anytime soon, in my opinion. If you want my honest opinion, I could be a moon boy and say like this market cycle, but I don't think anytime soon. Oh man. Let's see. Let's see. For the last 6 months, no one mentions ICP now because it's pumping. People need it. Yeah, it's always how it is, man. I mean, whatever altcoin's pumping in the moment is the future of finance, right? I always like to make that joke, right? 2 months ago it was Solana. Then it was Avalanche. Then it was Injective. Now people are going to be saying ICP, which everyone hated, is going to be saying ICP is the future of finance. This is always what happens, man. It just flows from one to one to one, and whatever one's hot is the future of finance, man. You know? What's going to be next? I don't know. Sushi swap is going to be the future of finance? I don't know. Something will be next. Just another boring weekend. It is, man. It is a super boring weekend, but we need these boring times. Like I said, it makes people flip their bias. You know, so SNEC. Let's look at SNEC. SNEC. SNEC's still at the highs. SNEC's actually holding up decently in here. Still at the 0.2 cents. SNEC's holding up best out of all these old ones. Like Bob's pulled back. Doesn't even look like it's pulled back that much, but it actually pulled back 40%. Bonk, 43%. So yeah, you got some pretty big, decent pullbacks on some of these, man. Decent pullbacks on some of these. But it's the calm before the storm. All right, guys, I'm going to keep today nice and short. There's really not much going on. Like I said, I'm expecting Bitcoin to, whatever it does here, right? So I'm expecting Bitcoin to hold these lows. And I'm actually expecting this to be a good week this week. Like I said, it's boring. When people get bored, it tends to, like I said, make people switch bias. Even though there's really no reason to switch bias, is continue just to make higher lows. But I am expecting another test of the highs, if not this week, over the course of the next few weeks, for Bitcoin to go test 44, 45K again, and hopefully break through this next time. So I'm out of here. Be bullish on any dips. If we do get any dips, you got to be bullish on the damn dips, bro. All right, that's my point for today. Even though it's boring, be bullish on dips. If we get moves up, think about what your strategy is. Don't be afraid to take initials out if you're up a decent amount on a meme coin or whatever. And just have fun with it, man. All right, have fun during the boring times. It helps you get through. Anyways, I'm out of here, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Stock market's open back tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some freaking pickle juice in this bitch. Later.